are riding with me today. I know you can tell by the title of the video what we're doing. So yeah, we just got in the car and I gotta go drop off some packages, some of my orders, and then I gotta get my Starbucks because it is the morning, and then we are going to get on our journey. Come on, mailman, go on past. So I feel like I owe some of you guys an explanation. Some of you guys probably don't even notice or could care less, but the people that do, where have I been? I haven't been in live streams. I have not kept up with my live stream schedule, nothing. I've had a few really life-changing events happen, and this right now is moving. It was not my choice to move. It was not my plan to move. This is something that came unexpected. Yeah, so I'll get into all that. Let me drop these orders off. Let's go find us a place. I'm gonna take you guys along on that journey and keep on watching. Okay guys, so I turned the air down, so hopefully you can hear me a little better. I'm in the Starbucks line now, just got done dropping off the packages. So right now what's going on, I've been in my house for many years. You know, my 3 younger kids have been to the same school, never went to any other school, just, you know, same area. Very used to our home that we're living in, but I am a renter, and when you're a renter, things can happen. So on Friday, I got a call, no, I got a knock on the door actually before the call, that, hey, here's a letter, you gotta move and you have 60 days. Yeah, so totally unexpected. As you guys know, moving takes time, planning, money, you know what I'm saying? I guess, you know, they're gonna sell the house, whatever, you know, it is what it is. There's nothing I can do about it. I was kind of down and kind of depressed for a little bit, but you know, you just got to get yourself up and figure it out. I kind of feel like, why sit along and prolong the inevitable for 60 days? You know, I'm not that type of person. I'm jumping on it now. That was Friday. Today is Tuesday, and you guys are gonna come looking for a place with me. So obviously, clearly, I just haven't been in the mind space to be like YouTube lives, all that, but I'll be back. You know what I mean? Everybody goes through stuff. And just give me a grande iced coffee with non-fat milk and 2 Splenda, please.
Grande iced coffee with 2 Splenda and non-fat milk?
Yep.
Thank you.
No, thank you.
All right, $22.95. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay. And the reason why I got that coffee, that's a whole nother video. I am on a lifestyle change with health as well. Everything's changing, okay? Job, house, lifestyle, mind, body, thought process, all of it, okay? So anyway, what I decided to do, because looking for a house is crazy, okay? I decided to apartment search first, and if I find the right thing, I'm just gonna go for it. It's so much easier in my experience to go in, fill out an application, give them a few check stubs, here's your keys. When you go, and then it's a little cheaper too, because they'll have moving specials. Deposits aren't as much. Looking for a house is, do they like you? You know what I mean? They gotta go, they're gonna go through a bunch of people and just pick one. You may be all excited, think you got it, then you don't. They want higher deposits. It's just more, and it takes longer, more time consuming, just not what I'm looking for right now. I just want to go. So I'm looking for 3 or 4 bedroom apartments. That's what we'll be looking at today. My price range is like between $1,500 to $1,800 a month. If you live in Sacramento or anywhere in California, you know rents are crazy. Sacramento used to be really good just like a couple years ago, but it just skyrocketed. The cost for an apartment is the same as a house. Like, there's no difference, which is crazy, which would make you think, well, why would you move to an apartment? Well, I just told you why. Plus, I've been in the house for a while. I'm over the maintenance. I'm over the grass in the backyard and the garbage and the fighting. I'm over it, okay? I'm over it. Yes, there's some perks, many, because I have a garage and all that, but I'm over it. I just want to live in my house and not have to worry about anything that's going on outside, and you can do that in an apartment. I'm looking to sign like a 12-month lease. After that, you know, I'll be ready to go back, get us a more stable home. So that's what we're going to be doing now. Let's go see what we can find out in these Sacramento streets. Oh God, thank you, Mom. Here's the phone. Bathroom. Shower. Okay, so the first apartment was cute. It was really nice. I like the finishings and stuff like that. It was $18.50, so a little bit out of my price range. It's like on the higher end, plus $50, and they don't have assigned parking. How's that gonna work? Coming from a house where you park, you know, where you're supposed to park, to somewhere without assigned parking, guys. That kind of stresses me out a little bit. They were super nice and all that fun jazz though, like really nice. So let's go ahead and go on to number 2. All right, guys, I just left apartment 2 and I did not film it for you guys because she's like, oh, it's not ready to be seen yet. I mean, I understand that a house needs to be, you know, apartment needs to be, needs to be fixed and all that. Like, I know. So I'm like, it really doesn't matter, but I need to see before I apply for anything. And she's like, no, I'm sorry, I can't. I'm like, okay, you know, no problem. I'm already in my head like, well, you know, I'm not filling out an application then. And then as we're talking, I'm looking on her desk, and the desk is full. Like, they have a whole, I understand extermination and prevention is needed and required, but it just threw me off. A whole desk full of different Terminex paperwork, a little binder that said Terminex on it. Maybe pest control had just left, maybe that's why. So I'm like, okay, you know, pest control's great. I hate pests, but I don't want to be anywhere where it's an actual problem instead of prevention. Okay, then I look over here and there's a sheet that someone had signed and dated. I couldn't read it, but the top said bed bug addendum. What? What are you talking about? who the fuck who has bed bugs? I'm in a nice part of the area. I'm not even really in Sacramento. I'm on the outskirts. Super nice, you know, nice neighborhoods. Yeah, that's all I'm gonna say about that. So needless to say, we ain't looking at them, and we are on to number 3. Okay, helping me, you know what I mean? Right. It's like all of a sudden you're supposed to save up for moving. Yeah. Just do the kitchen and that's it. The floors are nice. Anyway. Okay, so apartment 3 took a lot of walking and took a lot out of me. You guys just saw it. It was super cute. I didn't go through the whole house with the camera just because the leasing agent was talking a lot, but I mean, you saw the kitchen, one of the bathrooms, one of the master bedroom and stuff like that. So on to number 4, and I'm sweating. It's hot. Like I said, we had to take a long walk for that apartment tour, so it was really nice though. Right over. Oh my gosh, that's ridiculous. I'm gonna go faster this time. Okay guys, so you just saw the number 4 apartment. The first one was on the real high end, even a little bit over my budget. The second one we didn't go in. That was gonna be like on the lowest end of my budget. Actually it was a little below. I think it was like $13.50. And then the third one we saw, we kind of did a little quick tour. That one's mid, it's in the middle. Then I have all the paperwork right here. I don't remember. I don't feel like looking for the price. And then the one we just saw right now was $15.25. So that, I liked that one a lot. It wasn't, there's no upgrades. Like it has new carpet, it has new paint, you know, that kind of stuff. But everything's kind of, I won't say old because it is remodeled, but it's remodeled with old stuff. Does that make sense? I don't know, but it's very spacious. I showed you guys most of the place is minus one room, and the one room I didn't show you was the smallest, but the bedrooms we're definitely, and the master bath is definitely bigger than all the other places I just looked at. Even the small bedroom, the smallest bedroom was like the master in the last place. Okay, not a lot of closet space though. Like hall closet had a couple, but not the bedrooms. Just one little sliding, like, you know, one little one in each bedroom. So that's something. So yeah, those are the 4 that I have to look at today. I'm gonna decide. I didn't put any money down or anything, but I've got all the booklets and papers and stuff like that. So I'll see if I'm gonna go show my family the videos and stuff, see if I decide to put down on any of those, or if I keep looking, or if I decide let me start looking at houses, which is a whole another kind of stressful process. But yeah, this is my life right now, guys. Okay, this is what I gotta deal with. And again, I like to take the bull by the horns, get it done and get it over with. And soon as I, you know, put an application, get approved, I'm at peace. Next is going to be packing. We all know what kind of hell that is. Then it's going to be moving. But sometime in between there, I'm going to try to fit YouTube into my life, obviously. But just know I'm going to be back in full effect in my new place. Because even when you move, you just get like a fresh, new feeling, start, beginning. I actually like moving. I'm a weirdo like that. And it's been a while. So I feel like once I get there, I'll be happy again and be able to communicate better with you guys. So if you want to see what happens from here on out, this might just go totally left and I'm just disgusted and disgusted going to LA to live with my mom. I'm just kidding, but who knows. Stay tuned. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Let me know which one you guys like the best. Look at me, I'm a sweaty freaking mess, guys. Stick with me, guys. Stick with me. I need some encouragement right now. Stick with me, okay? All right, guys, thank you for watching. See